Today we're taking industrial steam cleaning to the next level. We're using a bigger steamer on bigger, nastier equipment. Let's go. Last time on Steam vs. Grease, we used a 2 gallon per minute steam cleaner on the back of a tractor to eliminate some tough grease. Today's challenger is on a whole nother level, so we're bringing out the big gun. This mobile steam cleaner puts out a whopping 4 gallons per minute of 320 degree steam at 250 psi. Today we're cleaning a loader. As you can see, this thing is filthy. Time is money. As your equipment and cleaning jobs get bigger, your steam cleaner must too. I'm sure I don't have to tell you, but this stuff is expensive. By keeping your equipment clean, it'll extend its service life, reduce your maintenance costs, and keep your operation moving. So let's get at it. Steam cleaning is an entirely different process than hot water pressure washing. When water flashes into steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it expands to over 1,500 times its former volume. The steam cleaner uses steam's expansion to accelerate water droplets through the conical steam nozzle. Discharge temperatures make a tremendous difference in cleaning quality. When the discharge temperature is increased, more of the heated water flashes to steam after it passes through the nozzle. The hotter the water, the more steam is produced, providing a substantial increase in water droplet acceleration and cleaning capability. Best yet, Sioux steam cleaners use 50% less water and 30% less electricity than standard traditional pressure washers, saving the planet. Using the biggest, baddest steam cleaners, you need the biggest, baddest steam guns available. Walther's steam guns are the most industrial, fatigue-free steam guns available anywhere. When you're doing extreme jobs like this, you need an extreme steam gun.
Molly is tough grease to cut.
Yep.
Looks great. I've got 13 more of them for you to wash.
We'll be back soon.
Tomorrow.
If you'd like to learn more about the biggest, baddest steam cleaners and guns on the planet, feel free to reach out to us. Our contact information is below. Thanks for watching.